Okay, guys, welcome to the introduction to Bootstrap 5 in the Edu-Champs course outline for the introduction to Bootstrap. So, what am I saying? I have your best of interest in mind, so I had to come up with the recreation of the video again. So, that's exactly what I'm doing now. And welcome to my screen, guys. And that's when I'm making this video. After making a long video, and I found out that, whoa, this was not taking that, recording my voice, and I was like, crap. So am I going to do? Am I going to start creation of video again? Yes, I had to, and that's exactly what I'm doing right now. So basically, let's get the day started. So right now, we basically want to look at the introduction to Bootstrap 5.33, which is the latest version of the Bootstrap 5 elements as we know it to be. So this is going to be an amazing course. Wait it. Now if you've not clicked the subscribe button for this video, you click on the button and get yourself signed up for this amazing course. And basically going to be a wonderful session having you around. And I want you to stick back, and if it's the first time of you seeing this channel, you want to do it to subscribe to the channel to help us promote the video. Please, thank you. So now let's get into the video. And today, what are we going to be covering? The first thing is basically, what is Bootstrap? We're going to be looking at all the integration of Bootstrap, how they come in handy, where they come in handy, when to use them, what does it simply mean, how does it work, when does it work, and many other kind of stuff like that, talking about Bootstrap. The next on my list is going to be the installation and the setup of the different patterns you can use in installing Bootstrap for yourself, and that's going to be pretty amazing. Meaning there are a diverse way of installing. I'm not going to do throwing some clue to the questions, so just know that we're going to be doing a lot of installation, which is basically basic, simple. So basically that's more of the introduction session for it. Now the next we're going to look at is the grid system with Bootstrap, the grid system involved in Bootstrap, and that's basically what we're going to be looking at. So now let's look at the last components for this video. It's going to be the components in Bootstrap. Like now, when you want to talk about Bootstrap, basically I'm looking at my digital notebook because I have to follow in line with course outline. That's you know this word that says, I believe in the Christians watching my video, which says write the vision, make it plain on paper, and anyone that sees it will tremble. Like, so let's get going. Now, what's Bootstrap? Now, let's come to a very basic concept right about now. So now, basically, assume this water bottle and this a glass cup, and this water bottle is filled up. This is a container holding a content, and this is an empty glass cup. What happens is that I have the ability to turn in water into the glass cup. That is what Bootstrap works as. It's a container holding content, which they are called libraries, that has a CSS, JavaScript, and you do the most of the writing. You have to do the most of the writing for the HTML tag, and you do the implementation with the CSS from Bootstrap and the many other kind of libraries and stuff like that. So let's not get the video quite complicated. It's very simple. A content with a container with a content right in it, and an empty container again that you add and stuff like that. What is Bootstrap? Bootstrap is basically the most popular front-end framework for development process. Now it is used for building responsive mobile websites and also mobile web applications and stuff like that, and also with the help of the HTML, CSS, and also the JavaScript. So now, why do we want to use Bootstrap? That's the next thing we want to look at, which is basically it increases your development speed, making you write your code many more time faster. Let me not say 10 times, or maybe I don't know how many times it has helped me write my code and stuff like that, but that's very great tools. The great tool to use. It has this Azure responsiveness. It prevents the repetition between your projects. That's rewriting CSS line over and over again. No, that's kind of tiresome. But with the help of Bootstrap, it clarifies other aspects. Now the next thing is it adds consistency. That's you keep on doing this thing over and over again, and it becomes so much of a part of you. Now the next is it enables cross-platform compatibility. That's accepted by a lot of browsers. It's compatible to many browsers. You have your Chrome, you have your Microsoft Edge, you have many other browsers. It's so compatible with every other one of them. And whenever you're stuck, guess what? There's a large community for you. Yeah, there's a large community that has developers like you and myself that whenever you suck, you just have to go right there and get the video, or get a code line, or get a CDN for that, and just get yourself going on the project. You don't get stuck in such a very big community, because this community is so large, and you must see someone who has worked with it and who has faced that kind of an issue before, and you can work with that person's way of solving that certain issue that you add in your own programming and stuff like that. And also it is very customizable. So now basically we know that Bootstrap has components and helpers like the alert, like the badge, the breadcrumbs, the which is hamburger menu if you don't know that, buttons, the card, the carousel, the collabs, drop down menu, list, group, name them. There are so many. I'm basically going to be talking about them right in this video. So this video is loaded for you. This will be the end of this course lecture for it, because I just want to make Bootstrap kind of a very interesting topic to you and other stuff like that, making it not quite boring for you to want to start learning. Now the next one on list is going to be the installation of Bootstrap, guys. So I've basically been doing talking for I guess like over 7 minutes and stuff like that. I'm not tired, but you just have to stop this video here to show that this video has course outline, because we say we'll be covering what is Bootstrap, which we just did. Now the next video you're going to be watching is going to be talking about the installation and the different installation process and how easy you can do that. They're very easy to replicate. So sit back, guys, and till I come your way again, I remember humble self, Tutor GT. Peace.